Respected parents, Hari Om children, welcome to our sir's mathematics video class. Today we will learn lesson number 2, linear equation in two variables. This is class 8 and subject mathematics. This you will get in page number 21. If you go for your NCERT textbook, which is the prescribed book for you, you will get this chapter on page number 21. Very interesting one. Linear equation in two variables. So the statement the linear equation in two variables itself says its definition. That is, it should be linear an equation with one variable. Means an equation, it should be in the form of a linear and it should have one variable only. Before that one, we should know what is an equation, then what is a linear equation in one variable. My dear student, so an algebraic equation is an equality involved variables. When there is an equation, it must be equality. For example, 2x is equal to 5, this is an equation. And what is linear equation in two variables? An equation which is linear means whose degree of the power is 1 only and have one variable is called linear equation in one variable. So today's our concepts are, we should know what is the linear equation of two variables, how to solve an equation, and what are the application of a linear equation of one variable. One by one, I will clear the concept. So before that one, what is the linear equation in one variable? One example I am giving. For example, 2x minus 5 is equal to 7. This is linear equation in one variable. Why it is linear? Because whose variables is there? This is the variable. And whose degree of the power is 1. Linear means and the algebraic expression whose degree of the power is 1. So this is the linear equation, means degree of the power is 1. It has only one variable, that is the variable x only, that is called linear equation in one variable. It will write x square plus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. This is called quadratic equation. Because what? The degree of the power is 2. This is called quadratic. And whose degree of the power is 3? Cubic. Degree of the power 4 by quadratic like this. But we should know about only linear equation whose degree of the power 1 and who has only one variable, that is one variable. I am giving an example of a linear equation in two variables. For example, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. See, degree of the power 1, that is the linear equation, but it has two variables. This is the part of the 10th class subject or 9th class subject. But in our part, we will learn about linear equation in one variable. Example, 2x minus 5 is equal to 12. So in this chapter part we will learn how to solve linear equation in two variables and its application. So one by one, I will clear your concept. First, how to solve linear equation of two variables. Please remember, now we are in the senior classes. We will not go for the equating and balancing method. We will go for the method of a transposition. That means we will transpose one number from one place to next part. Example, 2x minus 5 is equal to 10. We are solving this equation by the method of a transposition. So what is the method of a transposition? Implies that sign. So just look the number other than with the variables. So other than the variables, I am getting minus 5 here. So I will take that minus 5 to the RHS. This is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. So I will first move this minus 5 to the RHS. So it should be follow the rules. If any negative numbers are going to that side, it get the positive sign. That is the method of transposition. So 2x is equal to 10 plus 5. First solve this one, then 2 another number number. We have variables only x. In x, 2 is multiplied. That should be go to transpose to the RHS. So 2x is equal to 15 by 2. So this is 2x minus 5 equals to 10. We solve the linear equation of two variables in two variables by the method of transposition. I got the value of x is equal to 15. So like this we can solve the linear equation in two variables by method of transposition. I will go for the difficult level of how to solve linear equation in two variables. Another example. For example, little difficult one will move. Five x plus 7 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2x plus or minus 40. So this is a linear equation in one variable. How to solve? We will apply the method of transposition. I am doing what? I am just separating variables with variables and other numbers with other numbers. Double transposing means this number I am bringing this side and that number I am taking that side. So what my answer got here? 5x minus 3x upon 2 is equal to minus 14 minus 7 upon 2. Look at the blackboard carefully. Here 3x upon 2 I kept with one place. That means I have in LHS side 5x. I took 3x by 2 from the LHS to the left hand side and it changes its sign and kept. Similarly, the number 7 upon 2 I have to take from LHS to RHS with the plus sign, it will be minus sign. Now solve it. So this is a fraction. Take the LCM as 2. That is 10x minus 3x. Similarly, 2 minus 28 minus 7. Now solve. 10x minus 3x that equals to 7x upon 2 equals to minus 35 2. The addition and subtraction of integer you already read in class 6 and 7. So that's why I am not going into details about this one. So after solving one, I have got one fraction here and the second fraction at RHS side. That means LHS side I have got one fraction and RHS side the other fraction. At next I will move for the cross multiplication. That means I multiply 2 with 7x and these 2 with minus 35. So my next step is 7x multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 35 multiplied by 2 again. So my answer is 14x is equal to minus 70. Then x equals to minus 70 upon 40. So x is equal to minus 5. This is my answer. That means the value of x is minus 5. Is it the correct answer or not? That is the verification. That means you have to put this value on the question. If your LHS is equal to RHS, then they are equal. I am showing how to your answer is correct or not. Verification. Again write the question. Minus 40. So I got the value of x is equal to minus 5. Just putting the value of x as minus 5 in both LHS and RHS. 3 into minus 5. What I am getting here? Minus 25 plus 7 upon 2. Minus 15 by 2 minus 14. Both are fraction. We can solve by taking their LCM. Minus 50 plus 7 minus 15 minus 28. So minus 43 upon 2 minus 43 upon 2. I got LHS equal to RHS. Hence my answer is correct one. So if you are getting an answer, if it is right or wrong, you can verify with your answer by the given questions. This two variables can solve. In the second, how to apply this linear equation in two variables means situational math or some word problem we will solve. The question number two, exercise 2.2, page number 20. You will get this, what question I am doing here, you will get that is in exercise 2.2, question number 2, that will be on page number 20. Just read the question thoroughly, then convert that word into a linear equation into one variable, then how to solve that one also you know that. The question is, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is given 154 meter. The perimeter is given. Perimeter of a rectangular pool is equal to 154 meter. The perimeter of a rectangular pool is given 154. But the condition is given, its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Length is given twice of its breadth plus 2 meters. So how I am doing here? Let breadth of the rectangle is equal to x, in meter is given x meter. Therefore, the length of the rectangle means rectangular pool. Rectangular pool is equal to, condition, length is twice of breadth, again 2 more. So 2x plus 2 meters. The length is given twice, 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Now, if perimeter is given, you find out your perimeter. Then perimeter we know that 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So our perimeter is 2 multiplied, the length is 2x plus 2 plus breadth is x. 2x plus x, 3x plus 2. You can multiply, you will get 6x plus 4. This is my perimeter. Means according to supposition. But in book it is given the perimeter of rectangular is 154. So according to the question, 6x plus 4 is equal to 54. Now solve how the linear equation of two variables are solved. So 6x is equal to 154 minus 4. 6x is equal to 150. X is equal to 150 by 6. X equals to 25. So which one you took as x? That means breadth you took x. That means the breadth of a rectangle is 25 meter and the length is 2 times of that one. You just show your answer. Therefore, breadth of rectangular pool is equal to 25 meter and the length of the rectangular pool is 2 times of breadth, again 2 more. Therefore, the length of a rectangular pool is 52 meter and the breadth of rectangle is 25 meter. So, like this, when you are applying linear equation in two variables, some word problem will be given. You just convert that word problem in linear equation into variable. Then how to solve that one also it is easy for you. So very important concept. You just remember it and solve it. I hope you understood my concept and enjoyed my video classes. Thank you.